Good day. Today we will tell you how activity size setting works. Activity sizes can be set on two levels. The first level is the number of columns at the dashboard level. Second level, the number of columns at the activity level. The first level takes precedence over the second. If we set 2 columns at the dashboard level and we want to put 3 columns at the activity level, nothing will happen, as the maximum allowable volume on this dashboard is 2. What do the 2 columns at the dashboard level mean? If we draw a conditional line in the middle of our application screen, we will divide it into 2 equal parts. These will be our 2 columns. Now, if we take the size of one activity and reduce its size to 1 column, it will decrease by 2 sizes because the size of the dashboard is 2 columns, and the size of the activity is 1, or half of the dashboard. Let's put 3 columns on the dashboard. Now, our dashboard is conveniently divided into 3 equal parts. As the cars activity has a size of 2 columns, it has slightly decreased in size, and a third column has been added next to it. If we take the body art activity and reduce its size to 1 column, it will move up and occupy the vacant cell in the third column of our dashboard. We now have a 3-column dashboard. It has a cars activity in 2 columns and a body art activity in 1 column, making a total of 3. Now let's go inside the cars activity. As you can see, the size of the dashboard is 2 columns. 2 activities are placed here. Each of them is 1 column in size. Therefore, 1 column BMW plus 1 column Mercedes fits nicely in the dashboard's 2 columns. If we increase the size of the BMW activity to 2 columns, it will stretch to the screen's full width and occupy 2 columns. And Mercedes' activity drops below and continues to occupy its 1 column. The same goes for the size of the group title. Our 2 activities, cars and body art, are part of the list group. Let's display the group name on dashboard. Group title occupies 1 column and fits nicely into it. But if we increase the font size, you can see that the group title will move below because it needs to fit in its 1 column. If we want to stretch the group title in 1 row with this font size, we just need to add a column to it. Now, title fits nicely in 2 columns. It even has room for additional text. That's all I wanted to tell you about the size settings for the activity group and group titles. Thank you for your attention.